Assalamualaikum and welcome to Kitchen Khiladi, the one and only show of its kind in the television history. A show fighting between amateurs and judged by professional chefs. I am Chef Anil Kumar inviting you to see the kitchen fight today. Kitchen Khiladi format നിങ്ങൾക്കെല്ലാം അറിയാം. ഒരു മിസ്റ്ററി ബോക്സ് രണ്ട് പേർക്ക് കൊടുക്കും. രണ്ട് പോരാളികൾ 30 മിനിറ്റ് ഒരു മിസ്റ്ററി ബോക്സ്. പിന്നെ ഞാനും. ഇതിനെല്ലാം മേലെ ഒരാളുണ്ട്. അതാണ് ജഡ്ജ്. Today's judge is Chef Q. വെറും ഒരു Q എന്നാണ് പേര്. യെസ്, ഏഷ്യൻ പേരാവുമ്പം ചെറിയ പേരായിരിക്കും. പക്ഷേ ഏഷ്യൻ ഫുഡ് പോലെ വളരെ പഞ്ചൻ, വളരെ ട്രഡീഷണൽ, വളരെ വേഴ്സറ്റൈൽ ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പം ഷെഫ് ജഡ്ജിനെ പരിചയപ്പെടാം. ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം, രണ്ടുപേർക്കും ഓരോ മിസ്റ്ററി ബോക്സും 30 മിനിറ്റ് സമയവും കൊടുക്കും. അവർക്ക് ഇന്നത്തെ കുസീനായ തായ്ലാൻഡിലെ ഫുഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കണം, തായ് കുസീൻ. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് അത് പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യണം. എല്ലാത്തിനും കൂടെ ചേർന്ന് 30 മിനിറ്റ് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ജഡ്ജിന്റെ ജഡ്ജ്മെന്റ് ആയിരിക്കും ഫൈനൽ. അത് അങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കും കിച്ചൺ ഖിലാഡി ഇന്നത്തെ വിന്നർ വരാൻ പോകുന്നത്. We are in the quarter finals of the Kitchen Khiladi. So, don't go anywhere. Just be glued to Media One Gulf. Time to call Chef Q. Innate judge.
My name is Kwetsi Kursa. I'm from Holland, Amsterdam. And originally I have an Asian root. Today I'm going to judge the Thai competition. Hopefully they're doing very fantastic job. I hope they, if not, I can be very disappointed because Thai is very authentic, traditional cuisine, and hopefully the competition they're gonna be fantastic.
Chef Q, welcome. Hi.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm alright.
Yeah. This is Kitchen Khiladi and you are here to judge the winner today. Okay? You are ready for the serious job?
Yeah.
Okay. It is good to know that there is somebody else judging. Judging is such a tough job. I just want to be a moderator. Let's call the first contestant, Simi.
ഹായ്, ഐ എം സിമി. എന്നെ നേരത്തെ കണ്ടു കാണുമല്ലോ കിച്ചൺ കിലാഡിയിൽ. ഇതിപ്പോൾ സെക്കൻഡ് റൗണ്ട്സിലേക്ക് വരികയാണ് ഞാൻ. And I think I'm going to do Thai cuisine today. I love Thai food. Thai cooking എൻ്റെ ഒരു സ്പെഷ്യാലിറ്റി ആണ്. എൻ്റെ ഫാമിലിക്കും ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനും എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമാണ് ഞാൻ തായ് ഫുഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷേങ്കിൽ അഗൈൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് എ കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ, അതുകൊണ്ട് നെർവസ്നെസ് ഉണ്ട്. ബട്ട് ലെറ്റ്സ് സീ, ഐ എം ഹിയർ ടു വിൻ എനിവേ. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് സീ വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻസ്. ഐ ഹോപ്പ് യു എൻജോയ് ദ ഷോ. കമ്പറ്റീറ്റർ ആരാണെങ്കിലും തന്നെ ഇന്നത്തെ കിച്ചൺ കിലാഡിയിലെ റൗണ്ട് ഞാൻ തന്നെ ജയിക്കും.
Simi has won one contest already in Kitchen Khiladi. That's how she is in quarter final now. She's already got one hand implanted with boxing gloves, always ready to fight.
So you're going to
So Simi, not with you, with the other participant. You are ready?
I am indeed.
Second participant, Innatha Shoyende, the great one and only Faisal.
Hi, I'm Faisal, and you all know me from the previous round, which I won, and I'm looking forward to winning this next round. The next round is going to be Thai cuisine. I actually really like Thai food, in fact, but I've never actually cooked before, and inshallah I'll be able to win this next round. Kitchen Khiladi, here I come.
Please come. Faisal, who knows how to cook chicken. Last time he also is the winner from the first round. He is here in the quarter final. How are you doing, Faisal?
I'm good, how are you?
You ready to win?
Yes.
Let's see the fight. അങ്ങനെ പ്രോംപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തപ്പം ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ റെഡി ആയ ആൾക്കാരാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരുടെയും ഗ്ലവ്സ് ഊരിട്ടിട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു ഗോ ബാക്ക് ടു യുവർ സ്റ്റേഷൻ വിത്ത് ബ്ലാക്ക് ബോക്സ്. ബ്ലാക്ക് ബോക്സ് വിൽ ഹാവ് മിസ്റ്ററി ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ്. I will just show it to the chef. Oh. You see what you like? What you see?
Well, that's
Yeah. So here is your black box. You have this black box. All the ingredients you must use. ഈ ബ്ലാക്ക് ബോക്സിനകത്തുള്ള എല്ലാ ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസും സിമി യൂസ് ചെയ്യണം. എല്ലാം യൂസ് ചെയ്യണമല്ല, എല്ലാം യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റി ഈസ് അപ് ടു യു. ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്ന ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപയോഗിക്കാം, ഉപയോഗിക്കാതിരിക്കാം. പക്ഷേ ഇത് മസ്റ്റർഡ് ഉപയോഗിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ? You have 30 minutes when I start the timer. And Judge Q will be the expert judge on Thai cuisine today. She is very merciless. I know her to be very serious chef. Yeah, she has knife, scissor, everything to chop you off the show. Okay? So play within the rules of 30 minutes and you have to put it here as soon as the bell rings. 2 portions of food, 30 minutes and these ingredients. Please go, wear your apron and start working when the bell rings. Can we see what is in your black box? Sure. Yeah, remove the lid and put it down please so that everybody can see. എന്താണ് അതിനകത്തിരിക്കുന്ന സിമി ഒന്ന് എടുത്ത് കാണിക്കൂ ഓരോന്നായിട്ട്
ഇത് കാഫി ലൈം ലീവ്സ്
Oh yeah, she knows already. She knows one ingredient. Bravo.
skip
Mango. Yeah. Coconut cream.
And
Jasmine rice. Good. And what is the meat? You have any meat inside?
just the chicken.
Just the chicken. Okay, enough.
ബ്ലാക്ക് ബോക്സ് കണ്ടപ്പം ഓക്കെ ആദ്യം നോക്കിയപ്പം ഒരു റൈറ്റ് മാംഗോ കണ്ടു പിന്നെ നോക്കിയപ്പോഴാണ് ചിക്കൻ കാണുന്നത് അപ്പോഴാണ് ഞാൻ ഇറ്റ് ഹിറ്റ് മീ വാട്ട് am I going to do with the right sweet mango and make main course with chicken so total confusion ആയി അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഓർത്തു ആദ്യം ചിക്കൻ തുടങ്ങാം ബാക്കി മാങ്ങ വരുന്നിടത്ത് വെച്ച് കാണാമെന്ന് ഓർത്ത് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തു
Okay, you have 30 minutes to cook this chicken and the rice and everything and mango, okay? Faisal, are you happy with your ingredients?
When I first saw the black box, I was surprised with some ingredients, but not all of them. I mean, I was expecting chicken and coconut cream because they're basic Thai ingredients. Not the chicken, the coconut cream. But the mango and the lime leaves were pretty surprising, and I guess I just thought of something and thought of stir frying everything together and putting rice on the side.
You are expert chef. You already win Kitchen Kiladi one time. Okay, so all the best and please ring the bell to announce the game start. Yeah.
Okay, can we do it now?
Yeah, do it please.
1 2 3
All the best.
another one
30 minutes.
there you go
We'll go and ask what is Simi doing. Simi Matthews, what are you doing? Cutting chicken obviously.
I can see that
I'm making a Thai
Thai green curry with mango.
yeah
Oh. Thai green curry with mango with what?
with rice just flavored jasmine rice
are we gonna do this the rice
yes
Plain?
yeah plain rice
Really?
with the Thai green curry.
I don't know. You have to impress us. She's from Thailand and she don't like anything plain.
How about
Yeah. She likes to go on a plane to Thailand.
she'll have the green curry to flavor the rice with.
I'm here you don't
Yeah. Here.
you're not here
She will have.
I'm here you can ask me it's not she
Okay. All the best.
thank you
Okay, we'll come
good
back
luck
again.
thank you
You put the rice already?
that's good
How? Let's see. How is the new way of cooking rice? You want to keep the rice here? Rice. Oh, rice and water inside. And salt. Is this the way you cook in Thailand?
very good
Okay. You will only say very good. See? Rice and water and salt.
oh and a little bit water
So you are making Thai green curry, eh? With mango. You have no time left. You put 25 minutes, huh?
It's gone already.
Yeah, I know.
No, 25 minutes are remaining. Not gone.
Stop freaking me out, chef. Seriously.
Oh,
I'm not
there you
freaking
go.
you
Yeah,
out.
I am this.
It's okay. It's matched with your apron.
Yeah, green apron, green curry.
Exactly.
I'm taking the chicken.
Put the gloves and check, open and check once in a while. Again, you are heating it
Why
more.
you put it high?
Oh, you want more water inside or not? You have to take a spoon and stir it. Bobo, only 20 minutes left. Yeah, stir it. You have to make 2 portions, eh? 2 hungry people. Making 1 spoon rice. Okay. Don't take too much time. Put the lid. Start cooking your chicken. Faisal, do you want to win? Last time he put the chicken in the beginning. As soon as he came, he put the chicken. It's Thai green curry. Because she's making, doesn't make any difference. She's not making it well, and she's adding too much,
Yeah.
The green curry is, I hope you are tasting whatever you are adding. The
Yeah.
green curries can be really hot, and we are supposed to eat it. You don't want Chef Q to be happy?
Chef Q will be
smiling?
very, very happy.
Oh, I'm gonna be very happy. Ooh, exciting.
Okay. Eh? He's a very smiling guy, all the time smiling.
Did you check your rice?
Yeah. The rice is going to fly now, bro.
Oh, are you serious? Oh god.
We'll be hungry today.
Yeah.
But Simi is making for everybody.
Okay, that's a difference.
He's making only for us.
It's a French cooking Thai.
French style.
A little bit rice.
Yeah.
How many chicken? 3 or 4? Got it.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Only 20 minutes left.
Oh,
Only 20 minutes left. 20 minutes. Can you show it to the camera? Only 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes. You are not using any lemongrass?
I will towards
will
the end so that the flavor stays.
Oh.
Okay. You're always cooking Thai food?
Not always, but I do occasionally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just crush it and smell. Otherwise, no smell. Okay, going to Thailand. Yeah.
Now you're flying now?
I went to Thailand
Okay.
last Feb.
Come back to Earth because we have only 18 minutes left. Oh. Time is traveling very fast in this show. Kitchen Khiladi, we have a separate clock. It works on your stress level. This man is
Let me have a
making.
look there.
Your rice is going to be out of season.
So, are we gonna have a...
Caramelized rice. You have to work within limitations. This is not Thailand. Yeah, there's everything. You are making chicken Thai green curry or Thai chicken green curry or green chicken Thai curry.
Green chicken.
Thai?
Thai.
Stop stressing me.
Okay, no stress.
Oh,
Oh my God, bro, you're waiting till the fire alarm goes off. Ooh la la. You are taking the kitchen Khiladi to different level. What are you doing there? Ginger? Oh, he's cutting ginger cubes. And then spring onion. And then mango. And then garlic. Too many things on your cutting board, eh? You have, how many minutes left? 15 minutes left. Only 15 minutes left. 15 minutes matram baki Simi.
Okay.
Faisal. Come on. Endai?
she's smiling again.
Yeah, they are not supposed to smile in this kitchen Khiladi program. Why are you smiling?
you
What is so?
need,
Let me taste it.
Do you need towel?
Huh?
Towel.
Oh,
That's fine. It's spicy.
I don't know.
What's Thai without a little spicy?
You want oyster sauce?
You can have everything.
Soya sauce?
Everything.
Everything sauce, all yours.
You want this?
You want coconut milk? Huh? Black box ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന എല്ലാ സാധനവും ഉപയോഗിക്കണം കേട്ടാ ഫൈസൽ. Okay.
And what are you gonna do with the?
He's the coolest guy in town, you know, he's not worried. Are you ready to present in next 10 minutes? Oh, this is going to be 12 minutes more. Only 12 minutes more. Are you ready?
No, I'm not. I have
You want any sugar?
I've added enough sugar. I can get you towel. Fan.
That's okay. Fan.
Fan.
Kaitan fan. What's happening here? I think he's almost finished. He's left a lot of chicken and string on everything on his table. If you have an employee, him big problem.
I'm gonna be hungry or sure.
So, ഏതാനും നിമിഷങ്ങൾ ബാക്കിയുണ്ട് ഈ ഗെയിമിൽ. 10 minutes. 10 minutes to go. 8 minutes. 8 minutes to finish and plate their food. Faisal, എവിടെ വരെ എത്തി കാര്യങ്ങൾ? 8 minutes to go. 8 minutes to go. Come. You see, 2 plates here. You didn't use coconut milk?
I did.
You already did.
Yep.
Very less, huh?
Everything French.
Everything French. Stir-fried chicken with rice. Jasmine rice.
Jasmine
Have you
rice.
tasted these both items?
Not yet, but I'm
You
going
have
to taste
you
it.
have to taste.
You
You have to
haven't
taste.
tasted?
You have to taste before you present. Taste it.
It's really nice.
Really nice.
Proud of myself.
He's the judge of his own dish. Anyway, he's going to bring the rice now.
It's rice.
No, it's not burnt, it's rice. Chef Q is funny. She asked me to smell and then she's telling it's rice. Simi,
Yes.
are you okay?
Probably not.
Oh,
Oh. Faisal, everything okay?
Yep.
or you're gonna give me the bottom one?
Why you are taking rice there? Yeah, you are taking from the bottom.
Yeah, taking it from this side.
Faisal, what do you want?
Coriander.
Coriander? You want more?
Do you need anything?
I'm just thinking of what.
Buying? Browsing? Okay, come.
Yeah, how
This
many,
is your shop. What do you like to have?
how many minutes is it?
5 minutes. 5 minutes and Faisal is shopping. Green chili പിടിച്ചു. വേറെ എന്താണ്?
ഫൈസൽ ഞാൻ ഇടയ്ക്ക് നോക്കിയപ്പോൾ കുറേ സ്മോക്കൊക്കെ വരുന്നതുണ്ട്, അപ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് സമാധാനമായി എനിക്ക്. പുള്ളി എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ കഴിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ അത്രയും ടെൻഷൻ ഇല്ലായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ പുള്ളി എന്നെക്കാൾ കുറച്ചുകൂടി ഓർഗനൈസ്ഡ് ആണോ എന്ന് എനിക്കൊരു സംശയം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Oh, okay. The time is going to run very fast now. So we can remove Kitchen Kiladiയുടെ Facebook page. Kitchen Kiladi എന്നാണ്. പോയി തന്നെ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യൂ. Who knows? In the next season you could be one of the participants. This is a nice show. You can come, cook, win, go. If you lose, you can still eat your food and go. Oh, you're making chicken chilies. You're frying chilies more. This man is really 2 minutes only. She's plating. Want to go?
Simi, when I looked into her side of the table, I noticed that she was very organized, and I guess that's what you could say about it. She knew what she was gonna do, like how she was gonna make the curry and how to cook it that well. And she has a lot of experience when it comes to cooking as well.
You want anything else? There's 1 minute left.
It's okay now? Yeah. Okay.
Sure? If you are okay, we are okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I smell that?
Okay. You can clean up and leave the place. അങ്ങനെ സിമി റെഡിയായി. ഒരു നിമിഷം ബാക്കിയുള്ളപ്പോൾ തന്നെ സിമിയുടെ ഭക്ഷണം റെഡിയായി. Faisal, are you ready? Faisal is ready. Okay, both of you come here, holding one plate in hand. One plate in hand. First time in Kitchen Khiladi. Before the buzzer rings, 20 seconds left on the show. 20 seconds left on the show. Both of them are ready with their food. Please come here.
Now you can hear.
Perfect timing. The bell has rung and both of them are ready. Wonderful job.
Very good.
Now,
ഞാൻ തായ് ഫുഡ് കുക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് കുറച്ചൊരു കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ഉണ്ട് പക്ഷേ എന്നാലും അഗൈൻ യുനോ നമ്മൾ ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി വെരി പ്രഷർ ഉള്ള ഒരു എൻവയൺമെൻ്റ് ആണ് എന്നും കുക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലും വെൻ യു ആർ ഇൻ ഫ്രണ്ട് ഓഫ് ദ ക്യാമറ വെൻ യു ഹാവ് ദോസ് ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് ടൈം ബൗണ്ട് നല്ല പ്രഷർ അത് ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി സ്കേറി ആക്ച്വലി
please leave them there. We will clear and we will judge. And you can please clear out till the judgment is passed.
The timing was actually not much of a problem for me this time. It was the ingredients. I guess in the end I thought of seasoning it with chilies, and my chilies weren't cooked properly because of that, and I forgot to chop the garlic. That way it wasn't cooked properly. So I guess those were the minor mistakes I did. But in general, I would say that I should have actually cooked it better with more legs.
അപ്പോൾ പ്രേക്ഷകരെ ഒരിടത്തും പോകല്ലേ, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ തന്നെ തിരിച്ചു വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും ടേബിൾ ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ടേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനായി. Okay, time to taste and judge. First, ladies. So, ladies, food. Simi has won once, and today she's second time in Kitchen Khiladi. You are the judge. I just taste. Don't. She's singing, clapping, crying. All the emotions are coming same time. That is the secret behind the successful green chili paste. What is Thai green curry? Try.
Green.
Thai, try. We cannot say things because it's so spicy.
It is.
Words are not coming out properly. What about you?
It's very spicy. Let me try the chicken. Well,
Mango? So ripe mango without cooking also, and there's some.
it's cooking, yeah?
Judge, I have to say, having a judge who is an Asian and asking us to cook Asian food is scary. That adds to the pressure because പുള്ളിക്കാരത്തി Asian ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ പുള്ളിക്കാരത്തിക്ക് നല്ല ഐഡിയ ഉണ്ട് എക്സാക്ട്ലി Thai flavors എന്തായിരിക്കണമെന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് if I get this wrong, I will be making a fool of myself on national TV. So our thought is always there in your mind.
North of Thailand.
Thailand.
From Mr. Faisal.
There you go.
Please be very careful in this journey. There are many chilies on your way. और इष्टम बोले मोड़े के वारी इट. What was it? Chicken? So it has to be chicken.
Yeah.
He fried in such a way. Tell me, how is it? Chef, please eat the rice also with the chicken.
Yeah.
And I want your expert comments.
Let me try this. Ooh. You really make.
പുള്ളിക്കാരത്തി ആകെ ശ്വാസം മുട്ടിയിരിക്കുകയാണ് രണ്ടുപേരുടെ എരിവിൻ്റെ ഇത് കാരണം. So, what do you say about this?
The chicken is a bit dry,
Chicken is a bit dry, okay.
and the garlic not cooked,
Garlic is not good.
and the chili is just raw.
Chili is raw.
Yeah.
Okay. And here the mango is raw, mango is ripe.
Yeah, exactly.
And so many things are there. So we will come back with a judgment soon. You have made up your mind.
Yes.
Don't tell it now. So when we come back, we will have one plate under the cover, and that plate will be the winner when we lift the cover. Yes? Yes.
ജഡ്ജ് കുറച്ച് റൂഡാണെന്ന് എനിക്ക് ആദ്യം തോന്നി. But then പിന്നെ ഷോ തുടങ്ങിക്കഴിഞ്ഞ് no time to think about her and to focus on the task at hand.
It's time to call the contestants back, and meantime we will cover the best plate. Please come here.
Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding. Heart is beating. Are you afraid of anything in this world?
In this world,
Uh,
not really.
not really. Are you afraid of anything in this world?
I'm not sure how to answer.
Yeah, no problem. So we are also not sure who is inside because we got confused. Chef, please lift the plate. Lift the cover and show the plate which is winning today's Kitchen Khiladi. Ta-da-da! Right. That is the winning one. So congratulations, Mabruk. Kitchen Khiladi, quarter final is Jaichirikunu. Simi Matthew, she goes to the next round. Faisal. I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Every day is not a lucky day. So
Oh, it's true. Maybe you're lucky tonight.
yeah. So I wish you luck in the next time, next competition.
Kitchen Khiladi was a good experience. It actually started to make me start cooking myself at home. Like the day after I went from the previous round, I actually went and started like cooking by myself, just to experiment different things. And I guess it's a good thing to cook on your own. It gives you a kind of sense where you can create what you want to have in your food. I guess that is pretty interesting. I guess Kitchen Khiladi, it gave me that type of thinking when it comes to eating food. And cooking is like the power you can use to make something you like.
You are still unbalanced because you have been winning all the matches till now. So congratulations to you. There is a certificate from McQueen's for you for your cooking excellence on Media One Gulf's superb show called Kitchen Khiladi. This is a dinner voucher for you to go and dine with family. This is dinner voucher again for you. You've been dining also. And there is a book for food for thought for Simi. Think before you cook.
So you always thought about me.
Would you like to say, Chef, few words about both of their cooking, please?
Oh.
Yeah.
Semi cooking, there is the skill there, but you have still, of course, a lot of minus and plus. And Faisal, you have to learn about tidy and
ഞാൻ എപ്പോഴും ഓർത്ത് ഞാൻ എന്നും കുക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ കോൺഫിഡൻ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഐ എം എ വർക്കിംഗ് വുമൻ, ഐ എം എ ട്രെയിനർ ബൈ പ്രൊഫഷൻ. പക്ഷേ ഇത്രയും നെർവസ് ആകുമെന്ന് ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ചില്ല. പക്ഷേ ഐ വാസ് നെർവസ്, വെരി നെർവസ്, to the point where I was sweating.
Thank you so much, Chef Q, for coming. Your
Thank
expert
you.
advice and your expert presence was much appreciated.
thank you.
And I'm sure this show is also going to be much appreciated by Media One Gulf audience. And viewers, next week ഞാൻ തിരിച്ച് വീണ്ടും ഇതുപോലെ അടിപൊളി വിന്നേഴ്സുമായിട്ട് ക്വാർട്ടർ ഫൈനലിൽ ഒരു മാച്ചുമായിട്ട് വരും. നിങ്ങൾ കാത്തിരിക്കുക മീഡിയ വൺ ഗൾഫിലെ. Till then, bye bye from all of us.
Thank you.